welcome back. We've basically finished the week. We're on day 16. It's a Thursday. It's May 21st, and we're on page 31 and 32. Only 2 problems and a daily doodle. Some of you have already worked ahead and finished the week and sent me your daily doodle. I thank you for that. Remember, if you send me a daily doodle, I'll send you my daily doodle. Okay, so today there was a video to watch, and that gentleman talked about different scenarios of picking cards out of a deck, okay? All different types. So I thought, what the heck? Let's just do our own few problems out of a deck of cards to prepare you for those 2 problems, and we'll call it a 20-minute day, okay? All right, so probability. Probability of a 7 or a 9. Key term, or. Now let's just think without doing math. Got all the types of cards. There's 52 cards. How many 7s? 4. The probability of getting a 4, the probability of getting a 7 is 4 of 52. How many 9s? 4. Now, how many total cards fit the scenario? 8. And there's no overlap. There's no confusion. There's just 8 possible chances. If I reach in, pull out a 7 or a 9. There's just 8. So, for the last 3 weeks, throwing dice, picking cards, doing all these things. The confusing part is what goes right here. A great big plus sign. All the 7s, all the 9s, we put them together because there's 8 possible chances. That's why I didn't start out with all those formulas the first week, because then it's really confusing. Which one do I use when? Just visualize what's happening. There's 8 cards that work. Done. See ya. All right. Now, a little different. The probability of a red and or, not and. Probability of a red or a jack. Look at the cards. How many red cards are in a deck? Half the deck. 2 full rows are red. So half of 52. So 26 of 52 fit. How about the jack? How about the jack? 4 jacks. Do you see the overlap? Do you see the issue? We only want the red jacks are here, the 2 black jacks, right? We counted the red jacks twice. You see the overlap, okay? So we have to subtract off the overlap, okay? So the same or, but you had to be able to visualize exactly what was happening. So 26 and 4 is 30, so 28 of the 52. Cool? All right, now let's change it up. The word and. I want a king and a queen. I want the probability of drawing a king and then drawing a queen. Boom, boom. One right after another. What do you think? You see how it could depend? Is this one of those given type problems? This is how I'm going to do it. King first, queen second. I'm going to write it, so I drew the king first. Okay? King first. If I do it this way with that intention, then it's 4 of 52 because there's 4 kings. Poof. And then 4 queens. Whoop, 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 whoop. And we multiply. Okay? Good with that? So I did it first, second. If it didn't matter, king or queen, queen or king, then this is tweaked just a little bit. Okay? So it's how you interpret the words. All right. So let's just do that math. We got 16, 4 times 4 is 16, and 52 times 51. 2602. Okay. Thanks for participating this week. Bad math, right? I didn't simplify. Take the time if you have it, simplify those fractions, otherwise use a calculator, otherwise just leave those answers. Thanks for participating. We had a great week. Let's look forward to next week where we got the donut problem. We get to wrap up the entire month of May. Tomorrow, Binge Watch Friday. What are you watching? What am I watching? Inspiration Saturday and Activity Sunday. I hope you tune in to see those 2 videos. Activity Day leads us to the month of June. All right? So I'm putting together my personal letter to each of you for thanking you for participating the last 3 months. Yep, 3 months we've been together on YouTube. March, April, May. Okay? So, Inspiration Saturday, the flight of an object. Some of you play tennis, right? We were holding your tennis rackets in the class. Tennis was just starting. Some of you are ball players, right? You smack a ball. Some of you are football players. You kick a ball. You throw a ball. Some of you are golfers, right? Balls that fly. Okay? That's what we're going to be talking about on Inspiration Saturday. All right? So, things that fly. Sunday, I'm going to show you an activity that I'd like you to start thinking about doing to get ready for our lessons in the month of June. Okay? Real world math. All right? So I hope to see you over the next 3 days. Next week, we'll have some fun with donuts. Until then, have a great Thursday.